Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to edit the exposed column size. Let's get started. Alright, so over here, I already have a layout. So all I need to do is just directly drag a column out from the structural components. Alright, so before this, if you notice that we do not have all these dimensions for us to reposition. Alright, but for now, after the update, alright, so we are given all these dimensions to help us reposition easily. Alright, and of course we can always still change the size. Alright, we can drag it, and of course we can type the distance as well. Right. Besides that, we can also rotate a 45 degree by rotating the arrow. This is how to edit the exposed column size. Good luck trying, guys.